Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Richard. I'm currently in Ashley in Staffordshire, turning up Wesleyan Road. And I'm going to take you to what I believe is one of the most dangerous roads, certainly in the area, if not in the UK. Based on a video, and I'll put that video in the description, that was created by the Missenden Flyer, a great channel, the Missenden Flyer. Yeah. Oh, by the way, see the house on the left here? Not this one here, but this one here. This one here. I used to own that. Lost it through a divorce. Beautiful house. That's when I started sleeping out at the back of the car. So Mr. Flyer has been promoting people taking their motorcycle test, and that's right, they should do, for car drivers. The link to that video is in the description. Now, as I lived there, just a few meters up the road is the most dangerous road, and I'm going to take you to that dangerous road, and that is the A53 between Newcastle-under-Lyme and Market Drayton. Today is Thursday, and Thursday's a special day because just beyond Market Drayton near Whitchurch, on the road to Whitchurch, this is the A53. On the road to Whitchurch is the Raven Cafe, and on a Thursday night everybody goes to the Raven on a motorbike. I'm just going to push this in right now. The C6 Pro from Aoocci, you can get that for £118 from May the 22nd of May 2025 through to the 28th of May. Use the link in my description and you get 28% off the price, which means it's no longer £132 but £118 or thereabouts. You can get this. Cameras front and rear, tyre pressure monitoring system, and all the apps that you have on your smartphone appear here. And that means that you don't have to bolt your smartphone here, so you can navigate, and when you come up to traffic lights you don't wonder if someone's going to rip the phone off your handlebars. Which happens. Which does happen. Yeah? I'm just saying, while you're parked at the traffic lights, while you're stood at the traffic lights, yeah, in the major towns, people are now running up to the bikes and snatching the phone off your handlebars. Just like they're snatching phones off people who are walking down the pavement. Yeah, and then your phone ends up in China and it gets reconfigured and then sold back on the market. So why not have something like this that's bolted to your handlebar and your smartphone connects to it, and all the apps on your smartphone are shown through the Aoocci C6 Pro. You can listen to music, you can navigate on Waze or Apple Maps or Google Maps. You can listen to your music and control it here. You can see your messages, your text messages, WhatsApp messages, everything on here. Not that you should be doing it while you're riding. I hasten to add. So, between the 22nd of May 2025 and the 28th of May 2025, you get 28% discount on this, and it will cost you about £118 with free postage to your home address. Go and order yourself one. The link's in the description. Go order yourself one now. It's the best bit of fun that you'll ever have, especially if you're married, but that's another subject. Let's get back to the main video. Now you know how close I used to live to the A53 on a Thursday, because the Thursday is a regular thing. Loads and loads of motorbikes used to go up this road that I'm going up now, all the way to Market Drayton and beyond, up to Whitchurch, and every Thursday there were major accidents where many people have died, sadly. And I have a bit of a theory on this. And you could hear them racing down this road on a Thursday night, and I'd be sat at the house, not going to the Raven or preparing to go into the Raven, and I could hear these bikes racing through, and you know, at the end of the night it'd be on the news that someone was killed or had a major accident, or a number of motorcyclists were arrested or whatever. Now, for those that were in major accidents or fatal accidents, I saw a common thing. Most of these people were over the age of 40. And I had a theory. About this. Most of these people over the age of 40 were relatively new to motorcycling, or had previously had their motorcycle license and not had a motorcycle for a long time. And my theory was, I think some of these people, just normal people like you and me, had come into some money, maybe from redundancy or maybe from inheritance, and had gone and bought themselves a modern bike and rode like they do, and the bike was probably way too powerful for their ability to ride on the roads like this, because these can be very fast roads. Yeah, you can easily get up to 150 mile an hour on these roads. Not that it's legal, I'm saying, but you can get up to 150 mile an hour. And then people come off the motorbikes. One guy, he came off his motorbike on a Thursday night, not recently, and a good few number of years ago. He ended up in one of the fields to the left or right of me. His bike was in the field. He crawled to the edge of the field from the accident and was found the following morning in the field. Sadly, he'd lost his life. Someone found him in the field. His motorbike was, I don't know, maybe 20-30 yards away from him, and he crawled away from his motorbike. Very, very sad. I do have a point here. You can see here, look at this road in front of me. You could easily do 150 mile an hour down this road. Easily. And there are no cameras. There are no cameras. And I'm not saying there should be cameras. I'm just saying, there are no cameras. And the point here is, the Missenden Flyer is absolutely right. You should, if you're a car driver, you should go out and pass your motorcycle test. You should go and buy a motorcycle. But for the love of God, be careful and don't do anything stupid or idiotic. Just like the Missenden Flyer said, this road here, I'll put a map up to show you where it is probably one of the most dangerous roads in the UK. It's gotta be. People have had so many motorcycle accidents and car accidents on this road that it's just unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. And today is Thursday and it's lunchtime. I'm actually on lunch at the moment and I'm going back home now. And these people tonight will be flying down here. Now, ironically, I'm going out tonight, so I can't record it, or I'd come and record it. but I can't tonight, so I'm just taking myself out for a quick run on the motorbike, just to show you. Yeah, one of the most dangerous roads in the UK. Please, if you're going to, if you're thinking about taking your motorcycle test, do so. You're going to have great fun. Just like the Missenden Flyer said, you're going to have fantastic fun. When you've passed your test, go and get a motorbike, something that you can manage. I'm going to turn left here. It's not too far now till Market Drayton, but do go and get a motorbike. When you've passed your test, make sure it's the appropriate bike for you and your capabilities, and then go and have a great time. But don't go buying something like a GSX-R 1000 and getting up to 150 mile an hour, going into a slight bend, because at 150 mile an hour, a slight bend in the road turns into a country lane sharp corner, and then what happens is you bottle out of the corner and you come off the road. It's as simple, there's no rocket science here. You bottle out. I've bottled out before. Everybody's bottled out, and you've either recovered it or you've not. So just be careful when you go and get your test passed and you go and buy your motorbike. Yeah? Just be careful. You don't need to go thrashing around the corners. We don't want more accidents in the motorcycle fraternity. Does everybody agree with that? Hope you do. I'm sure you do. Of course you do. Staffordshire. Beautiful, beautiful roads. Of course, they've got the potholes. Everywhere's got potholes in the UK now. Let's see if the local councils can do something about that now. We've got Chippendale Market. It's got to be up here. Let's hope that the new Labour Council can encourage the local councils to fix the roads. I highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. So that's another subject to talk about. I think the roads in Wales are better than the roads in England. But there you go. So, what do you think? Comments below. Have you had bad experiences where you've gone flying into a corner and lost the bottle, and you've been, your bum hole's been twitching? Did you come off? I've done it. I didn't come off, but I nearly did, and I learnt from it. By the way, I've been riding for over 40 years. I just thought I'd put that in the end. It's not a case where I passed my test 10 years ago or 5 years ago. I've got tons of riding experience, just like Mark and Charlie. We've got tons of riding experience, and we're off to the Czech Republic in a few more weeks' time, which will be absolutely brilliant. Hopefully there'll be a few videos from that. We will be navigating by lap dancing bars. I'm not sure we'll be able to video in the lap dancing bars. I'm only joking. We're not navigating by lap dancing bars. But it sounds a great idea, doesn't it? Wow. So currently in May 2025, and summer's starting to come to the UK. Let's hope that the summer of 2025 is better than that of 2024, because it was a complete washout, the summer of 2024. Complete washout. I don't know. Right, look at that for a view. What a lovely vista. Look at that for a view. I'll see you soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do comment what your thoughts are. Give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you got this far. And I'll see you soon. Don't forget to order the Aoocci C6 Pro. Thanks ever so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.